Infused water, the definitive secret to losing weight. Studies have shown that drinking water naturally increases your metabolism, among other health benefits of water, and drinking water infused to lose weight can be an easy way to increase your water intake. I started making infused water in April 2012 with my first infused water, Taste Purple Cinnamon Water. That recipe turned out to be very popular and went viral on Pinterest with more than 2 million visits during the first year. What is infused water? It is also called detoxifying water, fruit-flavored water, or water infused with fruit. The water infused can usually be any combination of fruits, vegetables and herbs submerged in cold water. While the infused water has the benefit of being full of flavor, it also has no calories, making it a very powerful tool in your efforts to lose weight and obtain better health. For a full 1-week detoxification plan, check out my Detox Diet Week publication and give your weight loss a boost. Try a detox smoothie or a detox tea for a hot water detox drink. What are the benefits of the infused water? In addition to tasting well and having 0 calories, a water detoxification has many additional health benefits, including: improves your mood, flushes toxins from your system, fills you up so you don't eat as much junk, naturally helps your body release fat cells for water weight loss, keeps food moving through your system, keeps your organs healthy while you're sweating, reduces muscle fatigue while working out, helps you recuperate faster from a workout, keeps you from feeling groggy in the afternoon. Drinking water to lose weight. Studies have shown that drinking infused water can help improve weight loss and support the maintenance of long-term weight loss. Drinking water increases the amount of calories you burn as much as 24 to 30% in 10 minutes of drinking water, and this increase in water weight loss can last up to 60 minutes. Therefore, if you want to lose weight fast without much extra effort, try drinking more water.